Very good morning, dear students. So, in the last class, we had discussed the derivation on the elastic potential energy of that stretched wire. Okay. Now, today we are discussing the numericals based on mechanical properties of solids. So, the question is, a wire of length L. There is a wire of length L. Say, for example, this is a wire. It is a wire of length L and radius R. Okay, and length L and radius R. Is clamped rigidly at one end. So it is being clamped. It is being clamped rigidly at one end. When the other end of the wire is pulled by a force F. Okay. Now the other end of this wire, when it is being pulled by a force F, its length increases by L. So let us say here the same wire we are taking. This is the length of the wire. Is L. When the force is being, if this wire is pulled by a force F, then there will be increase in the length of the wire. So the length of the wire is how much it is increasing? Say L. Okay. So this is the increase in the length of the wire and it is the original length here. Take another. Now the question is that another wire of the same material of length 2L. Now again we are taking one more wire of the same length, say 2L here. It is 2L, the length of the wire. So previously it was L and the other wire we are taking, it is twice of the previous wire. Twice of this length of the wire, that is previous wire. So the second wire is having the length is how much? 2L. Radius also 2R. Is pulled by a force. When it is being pulled by a force 2F. Now the force which we are applying here, that is 2F here. Now because by pulling this wire, again there will be increase in the length of this wire. Okay, so that how much the length is increasing here. Okay. पहला जब हम एक वायर लिए थे, ये फर्स्ट वायर और ये सेकेंड वायर. फर्स्ट वायर का जो लेंथ था वो L है. इसको हम F फोर्स से हमने पुल किया, तो इसका लेंथ इंक्रीज हो गया. कितना इंक्रीज हो गया? स्मॉल है. ये L, यानी कि L प्लस L, स्मॉल. Now another wire of same material. There is no change in the material. Okay. Now same material of wire we are taking, having the length 2L, force is applied, that is 2F. ये force apply करने से इसमें कितना length increase हो गया, वो हमें पता करना है. Second wire का जो length कितना increase हो गया, ये force apply करने से इस second wire में कितना length increase हो गया, वो हमें calculate करना है. So now as we know that Young's modulus of elasticity, that is y equal to F by A whole divided by, that is L by delta L. So we can also write this as y equal to F by, change in length to the original length. So F by A, so as it goes to the numerator, L divided by delta L. Here delta L means change in length, L means original length, F means force, A means area. So let us we consider for first wire के लिए Young's modulus का equation कैसे लिखते हैं. So y equal to, for first wire, y equal to, force is how much here? F. So we will write F द ओरिजिनल लेंथ, ये L क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, ओरिजिनल लेंथ रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, तो यहाँ पे भी ओरिजिनल लेंथ क्या है, L ही है, तो हम इसे ऐसे लिखेंगे L डिवाइडेड बाय एरिया, एरिया मींस पाई आर स्क्वायर। यहाँ पे R क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, रेडियस, what the R it is representing, radius, so how much we are having the radius R, so we can write like this only, pi R square into delta L. Here delta L means change in length, means how much the length is increasing. In the first wire, how much length of the wire it is increasing, L. So in place of delta L, I am going to write as into, so into L here. It is force, force. F means force, L means original length, A means area, यानी कि pi r square. R is how much here? R. So we are writing as it is. That is pi r square. Change in length, this delta L can be written as increase in length. That is L here. So take this as equation number 1. This is for the first wire. Now for second wire. For second wire, the Young's modulus can be written as here force. Force is how much here? 2F. So I am writing 2F. Length is how much? In place of L here, original length is how much? 2L into 2L whole divided by area is pi r square. Pi r square. Change in length is how much? We are going to find out that one only. Okay, हमें वही पता करना है. हम इसे क्या लिखेंगे? L dash लिखेंगे, क्योंकि हमें यही पता करना है. तो अब यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन में, नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन y इक्वल टू 2 2 4 4f L whole divided by r means radius. Here radius is how much? 2r. So if I write in place of r, it can be written as 2r whole square into L dash. So it can be written as y equal to 4f L divided by square 4 pi r square into L dash. Okay, take this as equation number 2. Now as we are using the same material here, both wires are having the same material, so therefore their Young's modulus will be also same here. Their Young's modulus of elasticity will also be same here. So therefore equation 1 and equation 2 दोनों का जो भी Young's modulus है ये दोनों same है. तो इसे कैसे लिखेंगे? Let us compare these two equations. Comparing 1 and 2. Compare 1 and 2. So it can be written as f L divided by 4 pi r square, sorry, pi r square into L equal to 4 f L divided by 4 pi r square L dash. So 4 cancels, pi cancels, r square cancels, f cancels, L cancels. So here remains what here? That is L 1 by L equal to 1 by L dash. So L dash equal to L. So the increase in the length of the wire is how much? Same as previous. How much it is increasing? That much only here the length is going to be increased here. पहला यहाँ पे जितना लेंथ इंक्रीज हो रहा था उतना ही यहाँ पे भी हम फोर्स अप्लाई करने से भी यहाँ पे भी उतना ही लेंथ यहाँ पे इंक्रीज हो रहा है. So our increase in length of the wire is equal to the increase in the length of the wire of the previous wire. Previous wire में यहाँ पे जितना लेंथ इंक्रीज हो रहा है यहाँ पे भी उतना ही इंक्रीज हो रहा है जितना यहाँ पे फोर्स हम अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. Okay, so that is what the solution is. Okay, so note down this one. Okay, if you there is L dash is equal to L. Okay. So dear students, our next question is, our second numerical is, what force would be required to stretch a wire of 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square cross section so that its length becomes 2.5 times its original length. Given Young's modulus of the material of the wire is 3.6 into 10 to the power of 12 dyne per centimeter square. So our question is that what force would be required to stretch a wire? So यहाँ पे हमें क्वेश्चन ये पूछा गया है कि so let us write the given data. What the given data he has given in the question? To stretch a wire of 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square cross section. That means here he has given the area of the wire. So A equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. So that its length becomes 2.5 times its original length. तो यहाँ पे ओरिजिनल लेंथ से भी 2.5 टाइम्स ज्यादा है. तो ओरिजिनल लेंथ कितना है हमें नहीं पता है. So let us say L is the original length. It is having x meters, say for example. Okay, x. Let us say here L equal to x here. Now so that its length becomes 2.5 times means our change in length is how much? Delta L is equal to 2.5 times. It is meter. Okay. 2.5 times into x meter. तो ये ओरिजिनल लेंथ से कितना ज्यादा है? 2.5 टाइम्स ज्यादा है. तो 2.5 into x meter here. It is the original length. Here it is the increasing length. हमें कितना यहाँ क्वेश्चन क्या दिया? हमें कितना फोर्स अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा ताकि हमें जो वायर है उसका क्रॉस सेक्शन कितना है? वो 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square है और यहाँ पे उसका ओरिजिनल लेंथ से भी 2.5 टाइम्स ज्यादा होने के लिए हमें कितना फोर्स अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? यानी कि F is equal to how much? What force would be required? हमें कितना फोर्स